I forgot how. Okay.
It's gotta be like 81, 79.
Country Financial, Scotty's Auto Repair, Simon's Auto Body. Guys, that are putting this on today, you guys. You're doing a great job. What a show. The Red Bear, Yes Steve Construction, Skip and Laura Kisting, Bergandil Septic, Utica Bar, Outpatient Entrance Graphics, Pettit's Lakeview Bar and Grill, at Dam Paradise. Oh no, Dam Paradise. Okay, that Dam Paradise. Last Night Bar and Grill. That's in Edgerton. Edgerton Hospital and Health Services. Swift Stop. So if you guys come on up, buy some raffles, green tent. We got a lot going on. So we're gonna be here.
Good.
I think you might be right. Yeah. Another great car.
We still have not had a winner for the raffle for the 12 o'clock. That was the orange ticket. 772-585. Orange ticket. 772-585. That's for the 12 o'clock. Get your tickets. Be a big winner.
You got a 5-3 out of the truck.
Our work is done.